Hey, welcome back to another video. Today's video I'm going to show you guys how to change out your woofer speaker if it's blown. Now, how do you know if it's blown or not? Usually you get no sound of it at all, or you get a really muffled sound. This process is pretty easy. I already kind of have the door undone and off the little holders, so that way I can make the video shorter. So the first thing you're going to have to do is take out a little push pin that's here on the side of the door, because you're going to have to take out this molding. So when you lift up the door, this won't hit against it. So you just pretty much pry this off. There you go, this piece comes off, put it to the side. Now you're going to have two screws holding the door up, which are right here and right inside here. It's just a Phillips. So basically pull this cover off. And go ahead and unscrew this one. Then there's another one in here. Pull the cover off and go ahead and unscrew this screw. Once those two screws are undone, you're going to pull from the bottom of the door out. You'll hear it popping. Those are the clips. And then you're going to pull up on it. Like I said, I've already done mine previously. So pull out and then pull up. Now, the door is going to be connected here. It's just easily, just unconnect that so you have more access to the speaker. So you have the door covered, standing just like that. So now, what you're going to want to do is unscrew these black screws that are holding the speaker in. First, undo this clip here that's the connector for the speaker. I believe it's 4 screws. And you're just going to pull the whole speaker out. It should come out pretty easy. And that's what you're left with. I have the 17 speaker Lexicon speaker system. So this is the actual part number. Part number right there. So now you're going to get the new speaker. Line up the holes. And now just screw the screws back in. Make sure your connector is right next to that one. Apologize if my big head gets in the way. And that's it. You're done. Now all you have to do is put everything back on in reverse, and hopefully this helps you guys if you guys are having the same issue. My speaker held up pretty long. I've had the car since 2014, so we're talking quite a while before this one blew. All the rest of the speakers are working just fine. So please do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.